Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy, super delicious sourdough crackers. For these crackers, you're going to use your extra sourdough starter. If you haven't started making sourdough yet, but really want to, check out our video for how to make a sourdough starter. All you need is flour, water, and a little bit of time, and you can start making your own bread at home. But if you already have a sourdough starter, you know it's something that you have to regularly feed. These sourdough crackers are a perfect use for that extra sourdough starter. You're not using the sourdough as a yeast, but you are still getting that nice depth of flavor. And these sourdough crackers could not be easier. Normally, when you're making sourdough, everything is super detailed and you're measuring your water and your flour to the gram. With these crackers, none of that matters. Pretty much you just need a cup of flour, a cup of starter, and then a little bit of olive oil and salt, and you're on your way to really delicious, super thin, crunchy crackers in less than an hour. And because this recipe is so easy, we're outside today just mixing everything up on the picnic table, so let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of sourdough starter, 1 cup flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. In a mixing bowl, add your flour, salt, and sourdough starter. There you go. Then pour in your olive oil. Now mix it all up. It's easier to start with a spoon and then move to your hands to knead as soon as it's combined. Just knead this all together so there's no dry spots and all the olive oil and starter is incorporated. There you go. Form it into a ball. And then wrap it in plastic wrap. Chill that for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, cut dough in half and keep the other half in a fridge. Flour your board and your rolling pin, and then roll out your dough. We'll be baking these on a baking sheet, so kind of rolling out the dough to the same shape works well. We spray the dough with a little bit of cooking spray, just so the salt and herbs will stick. Now top with coarse salt, and for this batch we're using some fresh thyme, but whatever herbs you want, you can top it with. Getting these all in? Perfect. Now we'll cut these into cracker shape and put them on a baking tray. Bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. After baking for just 15 minutes, your crackers are delightfully golden brown, crispy, and ready to be eaten. Regularly using your sourdough starter, whether it's to bake bread or to make crackers, keeps it healthy. And you can customize these crackers any way you want. We use some fresh thyme from the garden and some really crunchy sea salt, but these are great plain. They're great topped with sesame seeds or rosemary, dried herbs. Pretty much any cracker topping, anything that you find on a cracker is going to be delicious on this base. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do. We're always coming out with fun food videos. And check out FarmSteady.com for all our recipes, plus a ton of kits for DIY baking, fermentation, and more. I'm Erica. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna eat this cracker.